Welcome to my channel PC Joe Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to discuss an important scholarship sponsored by Nikon, and we have been starting again this video series after 3 weeks of a gap due to the unavoidable circumstances. We could not upload the videos, but now hereafter again we'll start the series of videos. So this is an important scholarship sponsored by Nikon Scholarship Program for the year 2021 and the year 2022 for those students who are want to have their professional course in photography. They want to have their career as a photographer, as a photography, as a hobby. They wanted to excel in this particular branch. Then the whatever they have taken the admission, it should be a minimum 3 months of duration or more than that. So the Nikon Scholarship 2021 and 22 we are going to see today, and very important one, this Nikon Scholarship last date is 1st September 2021. Now in this particular scholarship you're going to get up to 1 lakh rupees. And second one, the minimum qualification which is required for this scholarship is 12th pass. Means those after the 12th, if you go for graduation, post-graduation, research, postdoc, and you have the hobby in a photography and you have joined any particular course for this particular photography course, then it should be a duration of 3 months or more than that. Then you have been eligible for this. The two conditions are there. The first one, you should income should be less than 6 lakhs, and the second one is the course which you have been taken, it should be a 3 months duration. Yes, I am Dr. Sajid Rundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Art, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India, and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. So here the first very important one, this particular website scholarship has been uploaded on the portal Buddy for Study. Yes, they have the coordinated this Nikon coordinated with this Buddy for Study scholarship portal, and this scholarship details have been uploaded. I have taken this all the detail from buddyforstudy.com. Yes, you have to go over there and you have to apply for this particular scholarship. We'll see detail about this one. First, we'll see about what is a Nikon scholarship program. Nikon India Private Limited. It is financially supporting to the underprivileged students of the society to pursue their photography related courses. That is the intention of this particular company is there, the motto is there, and the scholarship is meant to help the student, those who pass the 12th onwards, they are going for studies and who are enrolled in a photography related courses with a duration of 3 months or more than that. Nikon India is a world leader in imaging and optics, is offering this scholarship in line with the corporate social responsibility CSR initiatives. That is, the government of India has made a compulsory for all the companies who have been working in India, their 3% of the profit has to be shelled out for as a social corporate social responsibility. And in this initiative, they are wanted to empower the individuals and strengthening the society. Over the years, the company has been running several initiatives focusing on promoting education, including special education, employment enhancing, in especially vocational skills. Now, first we'll see about its eligibility. What is the eligibility is there? Who are eligible for this particular scholarship? Open for all students pursuing photography related courses. There is no reservation is there. So it is open for all with a minimum duration of 3 months, and more than that it will be eligible for this particular scholarship. The student has to pass 12th standard and his annual family income should not be more than 6 lakh, means it should be less than 6 lakh. That is a important condition. And the children of Nikon India Private Limited and Buddy for Study employees are not eligible for this program. And what are the benefits? You are going to get it from this Nikon scholarship program up to 1 lakh rupees. Now, what are the documents which is required? Photo identity proof in the form of Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, or your college ID is there. Then address proof in the form of ration card, or your light bill is there, telephone bill is there, or you have leaves and license are there. So that will be there. So that is the very important. Or otherwise, if you don't have that one, then the bank passbook, first page where the address is there and the bank stamp is there on that. So that will be required for an address proof. Then the class 12th mark list, at least those who have passed the 12th, those who have graduation, post-graduation, they can go minimum level exam. They have been cleared. They have to give that particular mark sheets. Then where they have taken the admission, the college ID card or admission fee receipt is required. Current academic fee, year fee receipt is required, and bank account details about the scholarship applicant. Cancelled check is required, as well as the bank passbook copy. Any one will be required. You have to fill all the details, and your bank account should be KYC, yes, and it has linked with the Aadhaar card. And how you have to apply? You have to go to the Buddy for Study, the scholarship portal. On that particular scholarship, Nikon scholarship program, below this program there is a button is there, apply now. So press this button. So directly you will go for the login page. Login with, now on this particular Buddy for Study, you have to make an account, login with Facebook or Google or mobile or email ID. So you have to have the account on this Google Buddy for Study portal, and from there you have to apply. Now once you have made this one, make your account. From there it will be redirected to the Nikon scholarship program, and you have to click the start application button. Then you have one by one you have to detail all the details. You have to fill wherever the relevant document has asked, upload the high resolution very clear copy, applied properly, and accept the terms and conditions. Read out first the terms and conditions which are given. Once you are given, then accept it. Then click the preview button. Read out whatever the information is given, and whatever you have in your document is there, it is matched. Then once you have been satisfied, then submit the button. Once you submit the button, automatically your application will go into this Nikon scholarship program, and this is a all India level basis is there. Hope you might get this scholarship. I request all the viewers, those who are there, they are interested. If you have joined this course, then it is well and good. You can apply. Or if you know anyone in your close families or in your circle, pass on this scholarship to him so that he can complete his ambition to become as a professional photographer. Thank you. Have a nice day.